Maintaining your LG window unit is essential for optimal performance. So today I'm going to show you how to quickly reset your filter light when it lights up. So the frequency at which the filter light comes on will vary based on factors like usage and the environmental conditions. Generally, it is designed to indicate when the filter needs cleaning or replacement. And remember to clean or replace your filter regularly for efficient cooling. You'll need to locate the filter reset button on your unit, and it's usually near the display or controls. Press and hold the indicated filter reset buttons at the same time, which is the up and down button, and that'll clear your filter light. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like these.